drill bit. I'm using barrel drill bit. It has high toothing, and if you use the low speed, this way you will never burn the nail blade. The best way for you guys to keep finger strongly and always twisting them, change the direction of removing the gel with your drill bit and using only the corner of this drill bit for removing the gel. This way you will never burn the nail blade. And as you can see on the video now, I'm using now the faster speed, and it allows me to remove the gel very quickly. Preparing cuticles for cutting. Now it's very important and serious question. You should work with each nails and each skin individually. For example, if the area on the cuticle is large or spacious, you can use the longer flame diamond drill bit. And if, for example, these nails are short, you can definitely use short drill bit. And I can give you an advice, guys, to choose the flame of the medium size. So I'm gonna show you how to work with it step by step. At first, I'm using the pusher, and we neatly push the cuticles to the limit. And this gives us an opportunity to get under cuticles very deep. And as you can see, two types of diamond drill bits now, the flame drill bit and the rounded drill bit. This product or this tool is new in my store. It has the rounded tip, so this way we can work with the skin without any cutting and bleeding. So when we work with this drill bit, we are increasing the space under cuticles, so it helps us to put the product very close to it. This way we can prolong the period before infill of these nails, and the week after nails look like we just visited the nail technician. So the product stays longer and it stays very close to cuticles. So you don't need to go back to your nail technicians and infill your nails. Sounds ridiculous, but people used to infill gel polish once every week. That people forgot about using scissors, and it's popular to use nippers now, but I think that this kind of removing the cuticles is the best. And as you can see, a lot of nail technicians in Russia go to the scissors because this is the fastest and cleanest and quickest way. And as you can see on the right side on the screen, you can use also the ball drill bit, but it's not suitable for each cuticles, unfortunately. So I'm showing you now, I think that the best kind of scissors I have ever used. And let's try to work with the soft and thin cuticles using these scissors. And if you are the beginner, it's okay, and you can easily work with these scissors because they're very sharp and they more safe than nippers. So it's easily to hurt the skin using nippers than scissors. Well, guys, the nail plate enlargement is becoming the trend again. It seems that people forgot about we use this technique 10 or 20 years. This technique was the first I have learned when studying in nail industry. And now in the Instagram you can see a lot of videos with this technique and nail technicians who who's showing miracles that they are applying with their brushes and with their miracle base. So I don't believe in miracle. I use the base coat and I suggest it in my store. You can apply the same alignment of the nail plate using this base coat, and as you can see, I'm doing it easily. And we need only the brush, flat brush number 2, or the brush from the gel polish. And at first we should place the drop close to cuticles and neatly align this coat using the tip of the brush. We curve the base coat in LED lamp in 1 minute, or in UV lamp in 1 or 2 minutes. I suggest you guys to take a look on some photos how the base gel works with bumpy curved nails, so it perfectly aligns every nail plate. It's easy to work with it, and you will not have to shape nails at all. So let's take a look on the set I used for creating the alignment and the manicure of the nails. It costs only 61 United States dollars. The price includes shipping to any country. In the next videos, guys, I will review different kinds of gel paints and gel polishes. I will teach you how to make amazing shots with sparkling rhinestones and rhinestones placing. Have a nice day! You may order all products that I'm using in this video in my store, shapeofnail.com. This week we have free shipping all over the world. Make the order and get your perfect products.